sabi ko yung implementation natin ng konsulta noon, naka 1.6 million tayo na-enroll, na-check up sa population. Pero ngayon, they are requiring national ID. Ang problema, I think there are only 7 teams of PSA in Pangasinan, comprising of 2 persons per team. So practically, that's just 14. So yun ang challenge. It's a prerequisite for us to conduct the YAKAP program. Ngayon, meron itong 20 peso rice, no? Requirement din yun. Kaya nga ilalabi ko sana SECNO if we can help each other with the PSA. Sagot na namin lahat, logistics, allowance, food, papel nila, tulugan, para lang ma-national ID natin yung population. Sabi po kasi nila, 87% has been already given an ID or na-ID nila. Pero I don't believe it. Baka wala pang 10%. Kasi when we did during the Veterans Day, nag-yakap kami doon. Of the 250 na clients, parang 20 lang ang may ID. So, pag nag-fail talaga yung ID, hindi natin nabigyan ng ID, malamang ito programa ko, mahirap to make off. Kaya malaki ang role ng PSA dito. No? Saka para mas efficient, hindi nagdodoble, nakikip track natin lahat, alam natin yung orders, alam natin na division natin. So, yun po yung itatrabaho naman ng provincial government to assist the other agencies in implementing the program. So, ito, dalawang programa kaagad. Programang medical, programang agrikultura. So, our key is for us to work with